Hello everyone! Can't wait to share a new video with you. Just like this truck is excited to share cement with everyone. Let's get it on. Some pickup owners certainly overestimate their cars.
Naman niyo. वही हो रहा था कि ट्रैक्टर नोच जाए.
Why do designers keep making amphibious cars if ordinary economy class models are doing a great job?
That's got to be the best part I've ever seen.
Forget what we said about pickups. These cars can really do almost anything. Other drivers will always help you out on the road, even if your vehicle is kinda unusual. By the way, this guy could really use a pickup truck too.
Mit Ameise, bist du narrisch. Wie in Ungarn, oder? Österreich meets Ungarn. Bist du denn? Schau.
We might be surprised by this video, but you can actually see passengers like that quite often.
Ой. А я при чем? Этот развернулся. Молодец.
Why it's dangerous not to remove snow from the roof.
Well,
The dude was lucky it didn't happen on the freeway. This is what a real car for family trips to the mall on weekends looks like. We got the word that you're still skeptical about pickups, so we had to show you this video. Do we even need to explain what kind of car would be useful here? The hose of this cement truck suddenly decided to detach, and while the driver was having a leisurely lunch, the truck managed to arrange a real dusty apocalypse. We have a wheel giveaway here. Get ready to catch 'em! No matter how attentive you are on the road, it is full of surprises. This video shows the pros and cons of hydraulic suspension. Actually, the boar can easily jump over this fence. He just doesn't want to. Driving levels in ascending order: newbie, pro, expert, and carried cargo in Iceland.
Oh, oh, holy sh! I rolled a window down. Oh, hopefully it's up. Oh, fuck. You got a picture of it? Holy shit, I'm videotaping it. What the f*** other than god stick?
We just got one question for this guy. Is the delivery really more expensive than fixing the suspension? This crossroads is now regulated by Zeus himself. Well, no questions here. There are some drivers you have to honk at sometimes, but this guy is definitely not one of them. It moves at an even pace, smoothly switches over the lanes, and can even accelerate up to 45 miles per hour. The nightmare every driver has imagined at least once. The whole street is looking at you, and you start parking like this. For some reason, the Mini Cooper isn't considered a car for real men, but a huge banana is just fine. Check out how easily you can fix any malfunction if you have an economy class eco transport. There are not many videos in the world with such a mysterious backstory. When you get to take your father's car for a ride, and try not to get nervous when you see the police.
That just happened in front of a cop?
Something tells us this driver never complains about poor visibility.
Nothing against the Falcons, Patriots 7-0 against the Jets, Panthers 3-6.
Too bad we never know what made this guy do that. The only thing you need to add to make it look like a typical Hollywood movie about Russia is a bear that came to the rescue. Although, you know, sometimes you can understand the scriptwriters.
Shall we do? We do. We will.
In the modern world, even vacuum cleaners have already become automated. Meanwhile, this is what we can see at a railway crossing somewhere in Hungary. Turns out that you can see this scene not only somewhere in Texas, but also in Russia. Fire trucks are designed to help humans, but sometimes they need help themselves. And this is it for today, buddy. We hope you enjoyed the video, found yourself a nice pickup, and gave us a like. See you soon.